We had the privilege of being at the front of the line when the door into the Soviet Union first began to open. It was a great day for us. Well, here was a country where Adventist literature had never been allowed, and suddenly we're sending thousands of pounds of material in there. It was a big job, and it took the help of a lot of people to pull it off, but we did it.
So, we just got in here and we have no idea if there's any security, but this part of the building is demolished, and we're gonna walk down here with our lights off and just check and make sure that there's no one down there, because they would see our lights, and we don't want anyone running up on us. It still smells like what? What are you doing, Brandon? Oh. This place had baseboard heat. That had to be expensive. It's so empty. That is an old office phone. They've taken all of the light bulbs out of all of the ceiling lights. think this was the entrance slash reception area.
Don't let too much run out because they might have that track. Like the water.
Looks like it was a gallery. Here's stairs.
I think I've seen it.
Where?
There we go.
Hold on.
No, let's just see this.
That's the power. The
This is great here.
yeah.
That goes up to there.
There's no way up from there, I don't think.
Oh, it's graphics right here. Protected by a extinguishing system.
Yeah.
Is this the same room? Oh, it is.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Why is this so backroomy?
I don't know where I'm hiding if someone comes in here. Under the fucking floor.
I don't know what all this was. I think it's just all server backup.
Right to now.
What was this?
This is the maintenance room.
Ooh,
What the fuck is that for?
I think it's a server.
Like the humidifier, humidifying. Oh, it's the AC system, I guess.
Is there water on in this bathroom?
Well, listen to that. The one right beside us is the one with tampons.
That's weird.
The one over beside us has tampons and pads.
Yeah, no. Hold on, don't go that way yet.
Someone was in there.
Oh, wait. We already went to this room.
No, we
We
didn't.
done it.
I didn't say that room. I said this room, bro. Weird ass lights in here.
It's a conference room.
Yeah, we always going up to his window, red light burn things.
This was like a photo developing room. A weird ass doorway.
Yeah, right there's the room.
like a void down there. Oh, it smells like prime musty office in here. You said Workforce, West Virginia? There's a gaming computer in one of these offices. Oh, it's right there.
Oh, he's in this office.
That is?
Yeah, look at it.
Yo, what the fuck? Shit, my whole college is that.
I don't know, this shit looks like ass.
I'm sure it's old and password protected. It's pretty old, but it was a gaming computer at one point. You can tell it had RGB lights and shit.
What's this thing?
This was the press room. Hold on, Brandon, come here and open one of these cabinets. Actually, I can just see in. They're empty. There's so many of them, though. It's back. I was gonna have you open those cabinets, but I could look into them. I saw there's nothing in them.
We found this door thing that's bolted up.
Yeah, there's a weird door back there into the wall.
Another power room. What is that thing in the wall? What is this? Whoa. What is this? It's like a box and it spins open.
Let me go in.
What is that? Huh? Does it go anywhere? That is the weird. Oh, it just goes into another room. That's that's pretty cool. I don't know what that's for though. Unless it was for photo developing. Pretty crazy. Oh. So fucking gross. So I just kind of wanted to narrate over this section of the video. I kind of lost audio and I'm not really sure what happened here. I think I accidentally turned my mic off or something. But this section is just, we were kind of just walking through demolished sections of the building. We eventually go upstairs and we were kind of messing around and we heard some noises. So we like kind of snuck to go out and we heard somebody bump into something, causing a bunch of stuff to fall over. So we booked it. I actually lost my light and we sat in the field watching the building from up on the hill, and you could see a drone flying over top of the building with a light on it, which was creepy because we were there for probably an hour waiting, like just watching, and nobody ever came out of the building. There was no vehicles, nobody had flashlights. It was one of the strangest occurrences. But this building is currently demolished and is being turned into a industrial park. But yeah, it was definitely unexplainable and definitely creeped us all out. This whole building honestly was very, I don't know what it is about these old warehouses and stuff, but they always have such an unsettling aspect to them. I really wish that I could have gotten to this location sooner because there was a larger office area that we didn't even get to film. It was already gone, but it was like a 2-story office building, and that was like the first part of the building to get demolished, which sucked. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. We left right after this, so it sucks, but yep.